Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is December 21st, Monday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets before diving into REN price action, REN USD. See what has changed since the last time I have spoken about REN, which has been quite a while. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. We do have Bitcoin dominance trending upwards still, and Bitcoin price action pulling back. This is what I have warned for on my previous post yesterday, when Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action had bearish divergence on 4-hour, 6-hour, and 12-hour time frames. And depending on the combination of which of the bearish divergence play out on either of these two markets, I'll be very careful. And now I do see that Bitcoin dominance is trending upwards, Bitcoin price action pulling back, and this tells me that altcoins on average are pulling back more than Bitcoin price action. This is a very dangerous scenario. However, I do see that some of these altcoins are starting to bounce back. I don't think this is the major pullback for Bitcoin price action yet. So something to be keeping an eye out on anyways, because I would not look at any altcoin charts without taking a look into Bitcoin price action chart, as I have seen for the past month, taking quite a bit of damage whenever Bitcoin price action pulls back on the altcoins. Now, let's take a look into REN USD. Now, something to note that Binance is not updating its data currently. It seems like, according to TradingView here, but I can see that there's still quite a bit of data coming in. But what I want to point out is that if this data is correct, at least I have not really seen this until today. If this data is correct, then this symmetrical triangle pattern on the weekly time frame for REN USD should still hold. Now, REN hasn't been doing too much lately since that run up back in about July, and currently it is still very well contained in the symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle patterns are continuation patterns, so right now it's a 60% chance of it breaking upwards. If it actually does break upwards, and the estimated time right now, at least to the apex of the triangle here, is about February 1st, 2021. It could possibly break out before then, and if it actually does break out by February, at the apex of the triangle here, let's take a measure target here, which is pretty off the charts right now. As far as I can read, it's over 67 cents. Okay, so that is the measure target, may or may not be reached. Something I do want to point out though is that even if the price action breaks out, there could be possible bearish divergence on the higher time frames because of the last high reading on the RSI here, so something to be looking out for. Also on the monthly time frame as well, so the monthly time frame is on the 90, but that may not play out immediately since it's on the monthly. And on the weekly time frame, it's about 90 as well, slightly under 90. And so it's going to be pretty hard to actually negate a bearish divergence if the bearish divergence actually plays out, of course. But more often than not, it does. And unless it's like a very strong bull market, then I could see it being negated. But more often than not, bearish divergence does play out. Now let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios here for REN. So bullish case scenario, very simple, because I already see most of the moving averages that could act as resistance are within the triangle here. So if the price action actually breaks out of this triangle, then I don't see any major moving averages that could be acting as overhead resistance for the price action after the price action breaks out of this triangle, because everything's already underneath this top trend line here. However, there's quite a bit of Fibonacci retracement levels that could be acting as major resistance. So those I'll be looking out for, and those are sketched out in the yellow lines here. You guys let me know what you think. Now, that's basically the bullish case scenario if the price action breaks out of this triangle. Some things I'll be looking out for are these key Fibonacci retracement levels as resistance. The measured target is going to be above 67 as far as I can read here, but that may or may not be reached. That is only theoretical measured targets. Now, let's take a look into the bearish case scenario. Bearish case scenario if, of course, the bottom trend line is broken. And what I'm looking for to be not broken, of course, is about the 24-cent Fibonacci retracement level, the 0.38. If that is actually broken, then I would really have to adjust my bottom trend line or even the formation itself, which may not be good. So these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for REN for today. Hope you guys found this helpful, and give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.